To open a new file, click on File, New, Empty File, or you can simply press Ctrl Shift N. Okay, see, now I will show you how to write a simple program and run it on Windows. Okay, so first what you have to do is include the header file studio.h. Studio.h is simply standard input output. Okay, so for input output, like using printf and scanf, we have to include this header file. Okay, so after this what you have to do is start the main function anti-main. Okay, and this main will return a integer known as 0. It will return 0. Okay, so 0 tells that the program is correct, it runs properly. Okay, so I will write a program to add two numbers. So what you have to do is, first you have to take a two numbers a and b. See, I give the user that enter two numbers. On the terminal I will give, it will prompt the user to enter two numbers. Now through the scanf function, user will enter two numbers mod d, percentage d. Percentage d is used for integer variables. Here we will put comma, and then we have to ampersand. This is the ampersand operator. Ampersand is used to tell the location of that variable, address of that variable. Okay, so and a and comma and b. So always remember, while we are using the scanf function, we have to use the ampersand operator, and a and b, and also here we have to use mod d two times. Here we are using, since we have two variables. If in case it is float, for example it is float a, then what we have to do here, we have to simply go and change. See, a is the first one, so we have to change first one to mod f. F is for float. Okay, so here I am not doing it, since here it is anti. Okay, so now user will get the output enter two numbers. He will enter a and b. The values of a and b which user will enter, we store in the variables, and then what we have to do is we have to perform a addition of a and b. See, I will take a third variable for your simpliness, and to c equals a plus b. Okay, so we are adding the values stored in two variables a and b. Then simply we have to output printf. Printf is used for output. Okay, see, here we are using printf enter two numbers, so we haven't used any mod d or something like that. We haven't used any variable. Okay, when we use variable in case of printf, when we have to output the values of variable like here c, then we have to use mod d also. See, here I will say sum of numbers. Sum of numbers is let me correct this. Okay, so sum of numbers is mod d. Mod d means see, this apostrophe, this which is inside this, that only will be printed. But when mod D encounters or mod F or anything encounters, then it will go here and take the value from C and print it in case of C. See here, for example, we have A equal to 2 and B equal to 3. Then see, I will show you example. See, A and B are two variables. User will get enter two numbers. A and B, he will enter two numbers. Then C equals A plus B, so C equal to 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. So here the user will get sum of numbers is mod D. He will not get mod D, he will get the value of C in place of mod D. Okay, that is sum of numbers is 5. Okay, so let me show you. So let me save this file. To save this file, simply press Ctrl plus S. See, now you give any name of the file. For example, here is sum, so I will give sum, and the extension is .c. Okay, remember this, .c. Then you simply press enter. Okay, see, so it's quite colorful. Now we have to compile this. To compile, go here, build, compile current file. Okay, so now you can see here it's compiling. No errors. See, 0 errors. 0 warnings. See, now program is compiled. Now only we have to run. Okay, to run this program, you can click on run, or simply instead of compiling and running one after another, you can simply press F9. Okay, F9. Enter two numbers. See, now I will enter two numbers. For example, 5 and 8. So answer should be sum of numbers is 13. Sum of numbers is 13. See, process returns 0. That means program has run correctly. Okay. Press any key to continue. See, I will press any key. Okay. Exit. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you.